The O'Donnell's, guys. Here we go. New platform cover, gas flex, new flue pipe, please. And then as you see here, we're able to do the condensate pump this side up through the register. We're going to put it straight above it on the roof. Okay, guys, so we're going to remove the swamp cooler and take that away for them. Thanks, guys. Out back of the O'Donnell's, guys, we're going to run those Freon lines and stuff straight up. Take that, cap that off, put the run new disconnect the electrical. Hey, Patrick, which side is the electrical on?
It's on this side, on our left side.
Which is left?
The electric?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right over.
Just walk around.
Sorry. Sorry, guys, I forgot. I hadn't been out here in about 10 days. Here it is. 125 volt. Thanks.